Concept and ideation, the spark. Every great product starts with an idea. This phase is all about brainstorming, identifying a need, and exploring potential solutions. Market research. Understand your target audience, analyze competitors, and identify market trends. Is there a demand for your product? What are the existing solutions, and how can you improve upon them? Sketching and conceptualization. Translate your ideas into visual representations. This could involve hand-drawn sketches, digital illustrations, or even simple 3D mock-ups. The goal is to visualize the product's form and function. 3D modeling and design. Software selection. Choose the right 3D modeling software based on your product's complexity and your skill level. Popular options include SolidWorks, Fusion 360, Blender, and AutoCAD. Detailed design. Create a precise 3D model of your product, paying attention to dimensions, materials, and manufacturing constraints. Design for manufacturing. Consider how your product will be manufactured during the design process. This includes factors like material selection, tooling requirements, and assembly methods. DFM helps reduce costs and improve manufacturability. Prototyping and testing. Rapid prototyping. Create physical prototypes using techniques like 3D printing, CNC machining, or laser cutting. This allows you to test the product's form, fit, and function. Functional testing. Evaluate the prototype's performance under real-world conditions. Does it meet the intended specifications? Identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement. User feedback. Gather feedback from potential users to understand their needs and preferences. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or focus groups. Iteration. Based on testing and feedback, refine the 3D model and create new prototypes. This iterative process continues until the product meets the desired requirements. Refinement and optimization. Design optimization. Fine-tune the 3D model to improve performance, reduce weight, or minimize material usage. Material selection. Choose the optimal materials for your product based on factors like cost, durability, and aesthetics. Aesthetic refinement. Polish the product's appearance to make it visually appealing. This may involve adjusting colors, textures, or surface finishes. Documentation. Create detailed technical drawings, specifications, and instructions for manufacturing and quality control. Validation and finalization. Final testing. Conduct comprehensive testing to ensure the product meets all performance and safety requirements. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the product complies with all relevant industry standards and regulations. Manufacturing preparation. Prepare the manufacturing process, including tooling, equipment, and quality control procedures. Final design review. Conduct the final review of the 3D model and documentation to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Ready for launch. Once all validation steps are complete, the product is ready for mass production and market launch. By carefully navigating these stages of the 3D design product lifecycle, you can increase your chances of launching a successful product that meets the needs of your target audience. Good luck.